a sixth-semester student of Public Administration. On this occasion, I will present the journal that we have reviewed. The journal title is Development of Public Service Information System for Local Government. This study aimed to develop a public service information system to improve efficiency and transparency in local government. Using mixed method, data was collected from 50 officials through interview and 200 citizens through survey. The developed system featured real-time tracking, data interrogation, and automatic notification. As a result, service time dropped from 5 days to 2 days, and public satisfaction increased from 65% to 85%. This introduction systematically describes the urgency of developing public service information system in local government. The author highlights the need for efficient, transparent, and responsive service amidst limited resources, complex bureaucracy, and lack of coordination between departments. The importance of information system as a solution is explained with the support of the relevant literature and direct toward the research objective of developing a system capable of integrating public service to improve efficiency and public satisfaction. The main problem in this research is the low efficiency and transparency of public service due to manual process, lack of coordination, and lack of access information. This research formulates the problem on how to design and implement an information system that can overcome this obstacle and meet the needs of community for efficient digital service. This research used mixed method with a qualitative approach to interview and observation of 50 local government officials and a quantitative approach to a satisfaction survey of 200 citizens using purposive and random sampling technique. System development followed the Agile methodology and through the stage of needs analysis and design, implementation, and evaluation of public service information system. The theory in this study include the concept of public service, information system, and system development. The author emphasizes public service principles such as accessibility, accountability, transparency, and responsiveness. Information systems are explained as a combination of technology and human resource to manage information efficiency. In this development, this research refers to SDLC and Agile methodology that are interactive and adaptive to suit our needs. This research showed that the implementation of information system has a significant positive impact on service efficiency and transparency. The average time to complete public service decreased dramatically. For example, KTP and KK processing, which previously took 5 days, can be complete in 2 days after the system implemented. Similarly, public satisfaction with service increased from 65% to 85% as finding by a survey of 200 citizens. The study also found that the information system was able to address 3 main problems identified at the initial stage, namely how to transparency, then consuming manual process, and lack of coordination between departments. The real-time application tracking feature, automatic notification, and cross-work unit integration provide to improve and effectiveness of service delivery. The information system developed is proven to improve the efficiency and transparency of public service, with service time falling from 5 days to 2 days and public satisfaction rising from 65% to 85%. The system was able to overcome obstacles such as manual process, weak coordination, and lack of access to information. The author also emphasized the importance of user involvement and continuous system evaluation. This result is strong due to its mixed method approach and Agile methodology, providing clear, measurable results like reduced service time and increased satisfaction, making it practical and easily replicable for other agencies. This result lack detailed explanation of mixed method and agile application, omit validity and reliability of instrument. That journal is present a shallow theoretical review without a conceptual model, like advanced statistical analysis and ignored external factors like a bureaucracy culture and political support. The framework in the diagram shows a clear and structured way of thinking to solve problems in the public service by developing an information system. It starts by identifying the main issues. Public service processes are slow and manual. There is low transparency, poor coordination between departments, and low public satisfaction. This problem leads to the main question, how to develop a public service information system that can improve efficiency, transparency, and public satisfaction. To answer this, the framework uses three main theories: information system, theory SDLC and agile, public service concept, transparency, accountability, and responsive, and public satisfaction theory. This theory provides the foundation for creating a system that fits the need of public service. The result uses a mixed method approach, combines qualitative and quantitative data. It includes interview with 50 local government officials and survey of 200 citizen survey. The system was developed using interactive agile method with low flexibility and user involvement. System created has key features such as real-time status tracking, data integration between government departments, automatic notification, and user feedback system. The results show big improvement. Service time reduced from 5 days to 2 days. Transparency increased with self-tracking, coordination between agencies become better, and public satisfaction arose from 65% to 85%. The final part of the framework gives practical recommendation. The system can be used in other public service, civil servant, that continuous training, and the system should be evaluated and updated regularly. Overall, this framework clearly shows the step from identifying problems to building a solution and applying in the real situation. This journal is an important contribution to support the digitalization of public service, but there are still some things that can be improved. In terms of content, the focus of in the research should be made clear. For example, by mentioning the specific area for local government that being studied. The theories used in this journal can also be made strong by editing relevant theories like the technology acceptance model to support the argument. The data analysis in the journal is mostly descriptive and can be more critical. It would be better if the author compare their finding the practice in our area. Also, the journal should explain more clearly how to information system affect service speed, public satisfaction, or transparency. The study will be more complete if it also include opinion from the public as user, not only from the government side. From the writing side, the structure of the article, especially the method and results, should be more organized. The author should also update and complete the reference to match current research. Lastly, improving the grammar and making the writing still more consistent would help make the journal easy to read.